Here we are at the Eventene main dashboard. Let's navigate to our navigation menu bar and find the Events tab directly under our Dashboard tab. Selecting the Events tab will bring us to the Events page, where we can view our current and past events if we have them. For now, let's select the New Event button to create a new event. We now see our New Event menu, where we can specify the details and important information for our new event. Our first task is to choose between Create from Scratch or Copy an existing event. Copy an existing event allows us to replicate the same format and details from another event in our event library. But for now, let's create a new one from scratch. Next, let's choose a name for our event. Let's call this Dinner Party. Then let's choose a date from our calendar and start and end time. The location selection allows us to enter an address for our overall event. Our Invitees tab lets us select our guests from already created groups. Let's use the group that we've created called Dinner Party Guests for our invitees. If we don't have a guest list yet, we can just leave this tab blank and add our guests later. Once we're done, let's select Create to build out the new event. This is our event summary page. Here we will be able to further customize our event. We can add a description for our event here. Cover images and other details can also be added to further customize our event. Select the Edit button to see further options. From our event summary page, we can access a lot of other Eventene features. See our videos for each of these features to learn their purpose, and soon you will be on the road to planning a successful event. Thank you for listening, and plan wisely.